If you've forgotten your Grammarly password, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset it step by step in just a few minutes. This is a quick and easy fix, and it works whether you're locked out of your account or you simply want to update your password for security reasons. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Grammarly login page. You can do this by searching for Grammarly sign-in or by going directly to the official Grammarly website. Once the login page loads, you'll see a place to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you used to create your Grammarly account. Make sure it's the correct one because the password reset link will be sent to that email inbox. After entering your email address, click the Continue button. Grammarly will then move you to the next step in the login process. On this screen, look for the Forgot Password option. This is the link you need if you do not remember your current password. Click Forgot Password, and Grammarly will begin the password reset process. Now Grammarly will send the password reset email to the address you entered. Go to your email inbox and look for a message from Grammarly. If you don't see it right away, check your spam folder, promotions tab, or any other filtered folders just in case the message got moved there. Sometimes the email arrives within seconds, but depending on your email provider, it may take a little longer. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click that link to continue. This is an important step because the link confirms that you own the email address connected to the Grammarly account. After clicking it, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Now enter your new password carefully. It's a good idea to choose a strong password that you have not used before. Try to make it unique, secure, and easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. After typing the new password, confirm it if Grammarly asks you to do so. Then save or submit the changes to finish the reset process. Once the new password is created, your Grammarly password will be reset successfully. You can now go back to the Grammarly login page and sign in using your email address and your new password. If everything was entered correctly, you should be able to access your account again without any issues. And that's it. You've now reset your Grammarly password. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.